Mirage 0667, just about set. Ready to shake your thing, girl.
That was cute.
Okay, now. I would like to introduce you to three of our soldiers. All right. Okay, now here are two of our soul train girls. Okay, now you two are familiar with the Soul Train Scramble board, right? Okay, you have 60 seconds to unlock the name of the #1 store in District 23. And while you do that, we'll kick you this. Rosewords playing their hit Car Wash and the Soul Train Dancers.
Sometimes if you're at the car wash, talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it from the car wash, car wash, yeah. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those guys and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work if I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car wash today. Feel up and you don't have to worry. Come on and give us a play. Get washed. Car wash. Talking about the car wash. Car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, let's sing it with me. Car wash. Sing it with me.
Rancho Mirage, baby! 0667. Outstanding. Great job, guys.